You're in the state affidavit dated 18th day of May 2026. In paragraph 7 of their supporting affidavit, they confirm that they have done a proper analysis of all the movements of the first accused wallets. So that is not a pending issue. The wallets established, they have the blockchain analysis of the movement of proceeds has already been done. Paragraph 8, Your Honor, they say they got a miscellaneous number E2143/2026, paragraph 8. That is around 3 months ago from today. And they have completed the investigations. That is, they have obtained the KYC records that are linked to the wallet accounts, transactional histories, and the freezing the identified wallets. The state has completed that. And in paragraph 9, they have out of that analysis, they have identified the owners as being Binance. So that has already been done. Then in paragraph 16, the state says the first respondent is a flight risk. That is paragraph 16 and 19, that they do not know her fixed aboard. You know, when you look at paragraph 13, they read that during arrest, the first respondent resisted arrest by locking herself inside house number 10 at Crystal Villa. They confirm that they arrested her from her house. That is Crystal Villa number 10. And in paragraph 21 is the reasons as to why they want her detained. They say releasing the respondent at this stage shall greatly jeopardize ongoing investigations. They have not provided for what type of investigations and how will it jeopardize that investigation. They also say that she might interfere with the tracing and apprehension of accomplices. No material has been placed before you, Your Honor, to show that she has attempted to interfere or she has attempted to escape. A celebrated case, Your Honor, of Dwight Sagarai. Justice Correll has put it very clearly that the state must put material before the court, showing an attempt to interfere or preparation to escape jurisdiction.
Counsel, do you have the copy?
These young ones nowadays tell me that the courts have them more like.
It's your duty not to give me.
Take judicial notice, Your Honor, that I'm the only one here. My associates couldn't come.
But I thought you are with Miss Anjoy.
Yes, Your
I've just carried her from Sam. We don't have it, but the court is aware of these matters. We appear before this court every other time. Your Honor, so there is no material that has been presented before you. Paragraph 23, they are talking of they are awaiting additional procurance records. For how long? It might be 10 years, 20 years. Your Honor, specifically for the first respondent, this is a mother. And lastly, Your Honor, she's taking care of her mother, who is 74 years, equally in a very critical terminal stage of our medical condition. We wouldn't want to disclose that. So, Your Honor, we are praying based on that the court grants her bond, bail terms to save the minor. Your Honor, Article 26 of the Constitution provides that life starts at conception. We do not need to take the unborn child to prison. And Your Honor, that is why the Penal Code in section 211 prohibits the courts to sentence a pregnant woman to death because of the sanctity of life. Your Honor, we urge the court to look at this expectant mother and release her so that she can attend her antenatal clinics. She was due to go for her clinics yesterday, but she couldn't because she was incarcerated. You know, the risk from that report is that there is a possibility we might lose the unborn child. And that I'm appealing to the state that this has been disclosed now to the state not to oppose. And I'm happy that the state today sent a lady prosecutor. She understands better the arguments about pregnancy. It's a very, very delicate. It's a very delicate issue. The honor that we have a shortage of population nowadays because there is not bad. Some schools are closed. You know, I come from the teaching background. My senior Mr. Kibe is here to tell you. For example, in Mount Kenya region, primary schools are closed because there are no ladies nowadays are not getting children. You know, let us save this minor, allow her to go home. She's ready to deposit her passport and she's ready to report to the police as many times as she will be honored by this court. May the court get favor in my submissions.